So I started the video by saying driving lessons prices will go up. But there's a caveat here for you, which means that it all depends on what's going to happen around the global markets of oil. Right? Because at the moment, last week at the pumps, it was £1.33 a litre for unleaded in Milton Keynes. This week, on Monday the 9th, I've just filled up today, and I'll put you a screenshot there of the petrol station I went to, £1.39 a litre. And you think, oh, it's only so much, that's only a few pennies. That's quite a big jump in a week. And what's affecting that is what's happening around Israel and Iran and America, what they're all doing. I won't go into too much details about that because it'll get too political. But that's affecting the global markets. And the global markets of oil has shot up this last few days because of it. And it's going to take a few weeks for that to filter down into the pumps before you start seeing an effect. But if there's a run on the pumps, and by that I mean if everyone starts panicking because they're earning all these things and they're going to start filling up their fuel rather than wait till the weekend, they're going to fill up quickly, then the pumps are going to start to run out and the prices are going to start to rise even quicker. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if next week we're in the 40s or at the end of the week, £1.40 a litre. Because it's £1.39 now on a Monday. I wouldn't be surprised if it's in the 40s next week or the 50s or 60s. And I wouldn't be surprised if this conflict starts continuing and they don't resolve the problem with the oil, then we're going to start hitting £2 a litre. Right? Now, why is that going to affect a student? Let me explain it. At the moment, the biggest expense on a instructor's expenses is fuel. They're probably spending about £400 to £600 a month, maybe more, depends on how many hours they do, on fuel, unleaded, diesel, and so on. So they've got to start looking at their bottom margin at that point, because if the fuel price is going up and it's going to continue to go up, by the time it gets to £2 a litre, their profits dwindling down because the prices are going up, expenses are going up, profits are dropping down. So a business would have to look at raising the prices, and a driving instructor is a business, and that's what's going to have to happen. They're going to have to raise their prices to make a profit, whether you like it or not as a student, because if they don't, they're not going to be in business. They're going to suddenly stop teaching, and then you'll be thinking, I need someone to set me for the driving test. Right? Plus, also, if the fuel pumps are running out of fuel, they've got to start managing their lessons and thinking, right, I've got a test coming up, I'm going to run out of fuel in a few days, I'm going to start cancelling lessons and so on. So that might happen. So there's lots of things that could happen. So just be warned, this is what could happen. Okay? Safe driving. Hopefully it doesn't get as bad as this, but that's what could happen in the next 3 to 4 weeks.